What's up guys, Casey here, and today we're going to turn a black drone into a phantom. Oh yeah. Joking aside, I did actually get a drone from my friend Julia, thank you very much. I tried to repair it for her, but it exploded, obviously. And so we're going to turn this drone into a phantom, just like John's, but it's not going to be a GPS drone. It's going to be a racing drone. Just like this one right here. And I also got a 3D printer. I've had this for a while, but it's only now that I've got it to work. So the plan is, this has already got the lights in it. It's got the right colors and everything. We need to get new motors. We need to get ESCs. We need to get a flight controller PDB. We need to extend the bottom of this because there's not enough room to put a full-size battery in there. We need to fix this. This is just horrible. Should not be like that. This needs re-stickering. These need taken off because they're way too massive. I won't be able to fit any motors or props in there. I need to fix these. We need to put an FPV camera in it, so we need to make holes for the transmitter and somehow put a camera on here. So I'll be thinking I'll be 3D printing legs and stuff for this, so it stays off the ground. And we need to make a gimbal for it, which won't work because it's too much weight for a racing drone. And this is the correct size for a Phantom. It's just a rip-off version of one. So I've got 10-inch. So guys, I know my room's a mess, but I've finally finished cutting out the bottom of these arms. So they're no longer sticking miles out. And I've designed this piece to go on the bottom. Oh my god. So I've designed this piece to go on the bottom of the arms. And I'm going to 3D print this. And we're going to stick it on the arms and see how that looks. Currently printing the arm mount for the motors. Don't know when we'll get motors to put in here, but we'll see how it turns out, see if it fits. And if it fits, we'll print 3 more off and see what we can do with that. And for the moment of truth, we've got our 3D printed part here, which will go right on there. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. That bit needs a bit of sanding out, I guess. Work on here though. Bit. Yeah. So we just mount the motors on the opposite side. So the motors, these here, will get mounted onto these plates. This will come on here so that it lines up, and then the prop goes on top, just like that. And we have a working drone, but we need 4 others. And we need a way of connecting the top piece to the bottom piece, this piece here. So we're going to have to make something on this so that it can stick onto the top piece.